Hi, this is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MSc 102 MA Economics assignment from the IGNOU University. So, in this one, we are discussing the question number 6. Before starting this question, I want to share something. We are providing the whole solutions of these questions answers. So if you need the answers of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on the screen. Kindly note this number 900-936-8238. You can call also. And the question number 6 is saying they will describe the importance of the public debt in economy. Under what conditions is public debt not sustainable in economy? So if you need the whole solution of this question, not particular question, this is the whole of PDF question, so you can contact us. We will provide you in a answers in the PDF form in very cheap price. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, so like and subscribe also our channel. Thank you.